Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. So I'm going to be doing a hair growth tea using fenugreek seed. I'll also be using rosemary, cloves, and over there we have my going to add the rose petals as well, and I'm going to be adding lavender. Okay, I have lavender over there, and these rose petals are the fresh one. Okay, they are the fresh rose petals, like they have stayed in my house and they have dried out, so I decided instead of me throwing it away, I decided to use it to do a DIY tea. So here is my measuring spoon. I'll be using 1 tablespoon for my ingredients. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. All these ingredients I have been using, okay, is so good for hair growth. I can testify it has really helped in boosting my hair in terms of thickness. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of rosemary and also 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. Okay, mixing fenugreek seed, rosemary, and cloves together, it's so unique. Okay, your hair is going to love it, like literally love it. So after this, I'll also add my lavender balls inside as well. So after this, I'm going to be adding a jar of water and I'm going to boil this. Okay, why am I boiling it? Because of the rose petals. You can't just leave this to stay overnight, so this one you have to boil it so that the rose petals can bring out its nutrients. So I'm going to be cooking this for like 10 minutes. Okay, try and keep your eyes on it to make sure it does not dry out, so keep on checking your ingredients. So this is after 10 minutes. My herbal tea is ready. I am going to strain it, and yeah, those things you guys are seeing is from the rose petals and the rest. So it's ready. I'm going to strain it. After straining it, I'll add it into my application bottle and show you guys how I apply this on my hair. If you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comments. So I'm also going to be adding my MSM powder inside. Okay, so I'm going to be using this as a leave-in tea. Okay, so I use 1/4, okay, of the spoon of this small spoon is 1/4. That is the measurement of the MSM powder I use. So I'm going to allow this to cool down so that the MSM powder can dissolve, and this is what it looks like after few minutes. I'm just going to be using my fork to make sure that everything, both from under, everything is all mixed up. Then I add this in my application bottle, and I'll show you guys how I apply this on my hair. This is a very wonderful herbal hair growth tea that's going to help you to grow your hair, nourish your hair, penetrate it on any part of your hair that you think or you need it to grow out. Is going to definitely help out, because using all these ingredients together is a magical hair growth tea. Okay, so the remaining one, I'm going to be saving this in this jar. All right, so when I'm done with the one in my spray bottle, I will use the one in the jar. Guys, this is not going to spoil. Okay, as I'm editing this video right now, this is past 7 days. Okay, this is the 7th day. As I'm editing this video, is the 7th day. So I washed my hair and I spray this on my hair. Okay, after my wash day routine, I spray this as my leave-in tea. Okay, leave-in condition, leave-in tea, because I'm still going to be adding more condition, because adding only Avidevic on your hair without adding leave-in condition might make your hair to be dry. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this all over my hair before I braid it. Okay, so spray this on your hair, every section of your hair. Make sure your hair really is soaked with all this goodness. Like, yo, this is so good. Okay, so I'm just combing my hair. Like, immediately I pour this on my hair was so easy to comb. Yeah, so this is my hair, and I can see that my edges were covered. Yeah, can you see that? So after this, I'll be adding my leave-in conditioner, which is Cantu. Okay, I'm using Cantu leave-in conditioner. Just in case you see my mouth moving, I have my daughter around me, so she's around. Yeah, so I'm also going to be using this DIY flaxseed gel. Okay, I mix it with my leave-in with my Cantu together and apply it on my hair. Why did I do that? I just love the combination of that. Okay, there's no reason of why I did that. I just love mixing things together. So I just decided to mix those together, and it's really defined my coils because I didn't film that part. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair and make sure it penetrates my hair. You know, flaxseed is a good way to for a good detangler. Okay, so I mix it with my leave-in condition, then I'm gonna comb my hair. Yeah, so I have to speed up the video so that it's more easier for editing process. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The next thing I'm going to be doing is using my hair growth oil. Okay, you guys know that this hair growth oil is in the channel. You can do what, you check it out, and I'm just going to be pouring it on my hair with this application bottle. It makes things more easy to apply oils on your hair. So I put that around my hair, then pour some on my hand, and you know, massage everything inside my hair. The next step I'm doing is to add hair grease on my hair. So I'm using this chamber 2000. I'm going to be adding this Duro Growth hair moisturizer. I'm also going to be adding my virgin hair fertilizer. So those three hair grease is what I always use on my hair, and it works so well for my hair. So I'm just gonna combine those three together and work it around my hair. I love the peppermint feeling I have each time I combine these three together on my hair. It helps to lock in the moisture I have already applied on my hair. Yeah guys, so this is my routine. After this, I'm gonna give my hair a comb, then I can now braid my hair because I've already prepped my hair for the next 2 months. Okay, so we are starting up a new 2-month journey of our braid. Yeah, so which is gonna make us 8 months. Okay, so if you have started this journey with me, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this extent, thank you. So I just finished losing my 6 months braid. Okay, I don't know if you have seen the video is going to be in the channel. Do watch, check it out, how I lost my hair, and I will bring out a video compiling the first time I did natural, like braid my natural hair without adding extension. After that time, how my hair was, then the next till 6 months. Okay, then after the 6 months on, I'm going to also compile a 1 year own journey about it, because I am on my 1 year journey of doing, or should I say of only braiding my natural hair without adding extension. I love the feeling of my hair. I love where my hair is right now. My hair is super healthy than before. Yeah, so I just have to fast forward this area. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comments. So this is what my hair is right now. My hair is in an afro state, which it has never been like this before. Like, yo, if you see my hair before, is always crazy. Okay, my hair is always a lot of fallout. If I comb it, you see the floor of my hair. The floors in my house is full of my hair, but right now the shedding I have is minimized. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me, and I hope you try this tea. This tea is gonna help you to boost your hair. Seriously guys, I can't wait for you guys to see my new braids and see how long my new braids is right now. So guys, I'll see you all in my next Stay subscribed for more amazing content like this. If you're gonna try this tea out, let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.